Hi, my name is Jitendra Ashok and I am the Product Marketing Manager of the Clocks portfolio at Cypress Semiconductor. Today, I am here to talk to you about the CY3679 Evaluation Kit built to evaluate the CY27410 high-performance 4PLL clock generator. The CY27410 is a 4PLL clock generator that can generate up to 12 programmable output frequencies on a single chip with best-in-class jitter performance. With support for frequencies up to 700 MHz and RMS jitter of less than 0.7 picosecond, the CY27410 family can support reference clocks for PCIe 1, 2, and 3, 10 gigabit Ethernet, SATA 1 and 2, and USB 1, 2, 3 peripherals. The device offers up to 8 differential or 12 single-ended outputs and can store up to 8 different configuration settings. The outputs can be configured either as differential or single-ended with support for differential standards such as HCSL, LVPACL, LVDS, or CML. The device also supports a number of value-added features that simplify system design such as VCXO, spread spectrum for EMI reduction, glitch-free outputs, phase alignment of outputs, and PLL cascading. It can also be configured as a zero or non-zero delay buffer. Here's what you will find inside this brand new kit. The CY3679 evaluation board, a mini USB cable to connect to your PC, a set of extra jumpers, a power cable for external power supply, and of course a quick start guide which will help you get started with this kit. Let us have a closer look of the CY3679 evaluation board. The CY27410 sits at the center of the board. The kit has a total of 20 SMA connectors to bring out the 8 differential and 4 single-ended outputs from the 2 output banks. There are 4 additional connectors for the 2 differential inputs, one for reference and the other for the zero delay buffer functionality. The board houses a frequency profile selection switch to change the input to the frequency select pins. The core and the I/O voltage selection jumper settings can be used to choose among 3.3, 2.5 and 1.8 volt input. There is also a USB mini B connector to connect to the PC, and finally 2 LEDs to ensure the proper power and USB connections. Clock Wizard 2.0 is used to program the device CY27410 present on the CY3679 Evaluation Kit. The usage of the tool can be explained in 5 simple steps. Create a new project or open an existing project. Configure the timing device to meet your clocking needs. The tool provides amazing flexibility to configure a vast set of parameters. Once configured, the JEDEC file is generated. Navigate between pages to review and update the design. Review the generated clock outputs and register map. Program the device directly from the Clock Wizard. In case a JEDEC file is already available, it can be loaded onto the device by using the Clock Programmer feature. Select the device, that is CY27410, and connect. The green indication at the right bottom confirms the proper connection. Open the JEDEC file and program to load it onto the device. Let us have a look at the frequency select feature of the device by connecting the out11 of the device to an oscilloscope. The default configuration of 000 shows a 50 MHz LVPACL output on the oscilloscope. By changing it to 001, we see 100 MHz. For 010, we see 25 MHz. And finally, for 011, we see 33.33 MHz clock at the output. As you can see, the CY3679 is a very powerful evaluation kit for the CY27410 device. You can change output frequencies, I/O voltages, and even evaluate the frequency select feature of the device. You can even connect the kit to a phase noise meter to measure the RMS jitter of the device. For any additional questions that you may have, you can always write an email to clocks@cypress.com, contact your local sales for support, or even create a case on the Cypress website. Thank you for watching.